to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Ipshita. Please subscribe and join my journey on YouTube. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be reviewing a bag, but I thought let's make it a little more fun. So I put in stuff like an imaginary on the go bag. Like if I was going on like a vacation, we normally drive a lot to places, so if this was one of those things, like my dad was like, pack your bag, we're leaving, we're going someplace for like 2 days, 3 days, stuff I would just put in my bag in like 10 minutes and leave. Like that is the bag I have prepared for what's in my bag. I thought it would be fun, but first let's review this bag. Okay guys, so the bag I got is from this brand called Zoop. They were very sweet and they reached out to me and they wanted to do like a collab, and they sent me this adorable bag. It's structured and I love that. I love structured bags, but this bag, guys, it's so freaking cute. Good size, and guys, faux leather. They're PETA approved. I was surprised to know that. I had no idea, and especially because it looks so damn good in real, and the print is just beautiful. 100% Indian and 100% vegan. It's got one zip on the outside and one inner zip, of course, for like your phone and stuff, and it's just a huge like it's just a huge bag. Okay, you can stuff anything in there. Could be a Mary Poppins bag. Oh, it has two more. Okay, wait, it has more layers. So there's this one zip, and on this side you have those pockets. I love these pockets, like especially to keep your earphones, or if you're traveling, your metro card. Like that's something I have used such pockets for a lot when I was in college. And to think of it, this would be like a good college bag because it's so good in size. You could easily fit your bottle, your food, your everything else. Would be the ideal airport bag for me, which is why I planned this video like that. So yeah, it comes with this string as well. You can attach it or detach it to make it like a crossbody bag, but I love bags with like smaller handles and to just carry it by themselves. I think the whole structure of it is very cute. Okay, so to come to the review of it, it is a good size bag for 2100. I think the quality is justified considering it's faux leather and the quality is actually really good. Plus it's completely made in India and a good option for like bags. And 2100 considering it's a huge bag, okay? Like it's not a small bag, I'm not kidding. As a joke, I thought, what if my laptop fits into it? And it did. Like my laptop's not huge. So I have this notebook by Dell. Like look, like this is the size of my face. This fit into that bag. So it's a good size bag. Like this fit into it and there was space. Like you could easily put in a charger and a lot of other stuff. But yeah, this thing fit into that bag easily. So for that size and the quality and the prints, oh my god. So I loved this print, so I got this one. They have so many prints and really pretty ones. So yeah, a lot of variety, good quality stuff. So I think the price is justified. And in case you guys are interested in getting one of the bags which are currently on sale on their website, check them out. And in case you are a smart shopper too and would like an extra 15% off, use my code. That would be YTEPSHITA15, YTEPSHITA15 flashing here, and I'll put it in the description as well. So you can use my code on their website to get the 15% off. I'd say try their bags. They have a lot of variety. They have like bigger bags which are like proper laptop bags. Like this is a notebook. They have bags for like bigger laptops as well, so like office and stuff. Then they have like smaller clutches, wallets, a lot of stuff. So yeah, check them out. Okay, now let's get into the what's in my bag travel edition, instant travel edition. Like you have 10 minutes to pack your bag. You're going on a road trip for like 2 days. You're gonna be traveling, gonna be seeing places. My family trips usually also include like some dinners because we generally know people where we go. So I have kept all that in mind and then packed this bag. Let's begin. I'm so excited to do this video for some reason. Okay, so the first thing in no particular order, I have not put in my phone charger, earphones. Those three will obviously be there. Maybe a power bank, but maybe not, because we generally on road trips we just charge our phone in the car, so a power bank is not really needed. So the charger, phone and earphones we're skipping. That's an obvious. I won't leave the house without those three. Moving on. Okay, so the first thing we are getting out is this. I love this. This is my vlog tripod. Like, I just put my phone here and I vlog. Very, very handy. And yeah, this would be the first thing I would take. Next, I'm taking out things from the pocket. I put a few things in the pocket. So first thing is this. This is the most important thing I would take with me on any trip or anywhere, any day. This is beautiful. So I bought this bottle from Miniso, and what it has is actually a mixture of my moisturizer and my sunscreen. That's how my dermatologist told me to use that. A beautiful thing, and I would never travel without this. Next we have baby lips. Oh my god, this baby lips is adorable. These are my favorite baby lips. The Bloom range, baby lips Bloom. They come in two colors. I have both colors. They are tinted lip balms and they look so freaking pretty. I always carry them because when you wear them, you don't necessarily have to wear a lipstick or like a gloss. They have enough color. So yeah, always keep this with me. This is like my 5th or 6th rebuy. Always have it. Next. Okay, so the next thing is this little mirror. So this is a two-way mirror. Like, it has a regular mirror and a magnifying mirror. Very handy. Just keep it always with me. Next. So next up is a clutcher. Keep it, because what if we're out in the sun? I definitely tie my hair up. I'm not one of those people who can like walk around in the heat with their hair open. It bothers me so much. I will always have my hair tied. Next, we have Vaseline. It's a lip balm for me, and I love Vaseline. I just love it. Like, I don't think I can even justify it. I don't have words. I don't need to. It's Vaseline. You should always have Vaseline. Next is a rubber band, a black rubber band, classic. Next. Okay, so next up I have this trimmer by Veet. Now this is the bigger head it comes with. I generally always keep this when I travel because I try to think of like, okay, I should shave before I go, or I should at least keep my razor, but a lot of times I forget. But this I always remember to keep, so it always saves the day because I can just use this and be done with whatever I need to. It's the best emergency hair removal product, I feel. So yeah, always have it. Next. Oh, the next thing is my best friend in the world. It's, people who know me, please guess. Anushka, can you guess?
Yeah,
Correct, it's Odomos. This is the roll-on one. You could also use the spray, could also use the cream, but I never ever go anywhere without an Odomos. And if I do, well, we have to arrange for one soon because mosquitoes love me, and yeah, that's just the sad reality of my life. So I always have Odomos with me. Better prepared. Next. Okay, so next up we have the wallet. It's a classic, like you always have to have a wallet. This wallet is super cute. It's from Cat and Kidston. They have a store in Ambience Mall, Gurgaon, and I think they're on Myntra as well. I'm not sure. And yeah, this is my wallet. This is Anushka and me as kids. It's so cute. I love this picture. Also in my wallet I keep this note that my mom once left me on my mirror in my room. It was so sweet. It just says, thanks for all the wonderful things you do. Heart, heart. Mom, it's so sweet. I love this. Like, I always keep this with me. I think it's very sweet. It's been years since she gave it to me, but yeah, I've kept it since. Also guys, this here makes my wallet smell so good. This is the card they give you like when you test out perfumes at Bath and Body Works, and I keep this. It's been here since like before lockdown began, so maybe last Feb or Jan, and it still smells amazing. My wallet smells amazing. Moving on next. Okay, so next up we have this is my blender pouch. Of course I would keep makeup because I told you, generally when we go on these road trip type travel things, like I have posted a lot of during Vlogmas, check it out, linking the playlist here. We generally have to go for some or the other dinner, like to someone's place or something. So yeah, need to keep makeup. Also sometimes during the day I do a little bit of makeup, so yeah, I keep this pouch. It's from Pack Cosmetics. It's got their beauty blender pouch. You get like 2 blenders in this. I have kept 3 in it currently, but yeah, this is a good thing. Like, plus a blender is something that can be used like multi ways. You can use it for your blush, you can use it for your highlighter, you can also use it for your foundation. So I think that's the best thing to carry instead of like carrying a lot of brushes with you. Like that's what I would put fatafat say in a bag. Next up we have a foundation, of course, and it is the Fit Me foundation because yeah, like if I want to get dressed up for the day, like want to do a little bit of makeup, we're going to be roaming around the entire day, I would use Fit Me because it's a light foundation. It's got light coverage, but it's got a very good coverage. Like its finish is really pretty. So yeah, this would be like my go-to for a light day, a casual day. Like whenever in college, if I had to wear makeup someday, like I felt like putting on a little bit of makeup very few days, but if I did, this would be what I would put. And even during travels, if I put on makeup during the day, it has been this one. And for dinners, of course, you can just use this baby. It builds up to a medium coverage, so good enough for me. So yeah, the Fit Me foundation. Next up we have rose water. This is beautiful. So this is again a Miniso container. It has double rose water. Yeah, this is a lifesaver, guys, because a lot of times I have forgotten to keep a makeup remover. Anushka has forgotten to keep a makeup remover. So we use this for our first step of cleansing, and then we just wash our face. It really helps. And in any case, we use rose water a lot. Like we randomly spray it on our face throughout the day. We spray it on our face at night, use it as a toner, use it like just like that. Avid rose water consumer. So yeah, never go anywhere without my rose water. Next. So next we have this hairbrush, because you should have a hairbrush or a comb, whatever works. I currently have this hairbrush. It's again from Miniso. It's so cute. So yeah, this is the next product. Next up we have this box. So this box is basically what my Daniel Wellington ring came in. I got it during the Christmas sale, so they sent this box, but it's also very useful, so I use them for storage purposes. This box is where I keep all my hoops, like all sizes, and I like the tiny ones or the heart-shaped ones or like any hoops. So basically I always carry this because you don't know what to carry, you don't know which earrings to put or which hoops to put, so just put this little box. I always put it, and that's it. I don't need anything else. Oh wow, this just came off. Even at home I store them in this box so that all of my hoops are in one place, and whenever I travel I carry them because hoops go with dinner looks, they go with casual looks. Hoops always make your outfit look better. You can use them with everything, so I always keep them. So yeah, this I always carry with me. Okay, so next up is a coronavirus special. It's the Lifebuoy sanitizer. I generally used to keep Bath and Body Works sanitizers, like hang them on my purses. Very cute, but जब से coronavirus आया है, we have shifted to Lifebuoy and Dettol. But yeah, a hand sanitizer always. Next up we have some makeup products. So I'm going to be doing these together. Okay, so another thing I carry with me is this BB cream. It's by The Body Shop. It's the Fresh Nude Tinted Beauty Balm. I'm in the shade 02 Medium Fair. I highly recommend this to people who fit into skin tones like closer to me. However, they don't have a lot of ranges. This is 02. I think there are just 2 shades or max 3. So really, like, there's not a lot of options there for people with darker skin tones, and that sucks. especially because their BB cream is really nice. So I really hope they make more shades. They should. Like 02, hello, that's it. I am the medium skin tone for you guys. Like, they should really work on expanding this range. Also, it has SPF 30, which is really good. So for traveling and like going out, if I don't want to wear foundation, I generally just stick to this and blush, and it looks super nice. Okay, so next up I have my Prime Light by Milani. It just makes my makeup look glowy dewy. Also, if you put this on top of your foundation, which is something I realized recently, it works as a highlighter. So a good multi-purpose product for traveling. So yeah, next. Okay, so next up is one of my favorite products ever, like ever. It is the Vitamin C Skin Boost Instant Smoother. It's basically a vitamin C serum from The Body Shop. I love this product. Like, if there was a rule like you can use just one skincare product for your entire life, it would be this. I love it. I love it. That's all I would like to say. So yeah, I would definitely keep this for like my nighttime thing. Like after I wash my face, do my rose water, I would put this and sleep. Like I would definitely keep this for that. Next up, I have a tweezer that is really helpful for like just in case, like you got a little upper lip, you got some stray hairs, really helpful. So yeah, I keep it. Okay, so next I have 3 lipsticks. I just clubbed them together to show it to you guys. So okay, weirdly they're all from Nykaa. So this is the Mattelicious in Next Level Nude. It's a beautiful nude color and goes well with, like, really suits me. See, that's it. It's really pretty. I use it a lot and it's a very safe color. Whenever I don't know like what lipstick to wear, I just wear this and it works. So yeah, Next Level Nude. Next up is Janvi. This is a beautiful lipstick. Like, I love this. This is probably like these are my top 3 lipsticks like ever. Janvi is a very pretty peach pink nude, I would say. It builds up to a matte. It's wet right now, so it's gonna be a little glossy right now. And this is my favorite lipstick ever. It's Bombay. This is my 4th bottle. It's beautiful. I love this. I think it's a beautiful shade on me. It looks so stunning on me. It looks beautiful. Like, it's my favorite nude lipstick. Like, it's my lips but better, or maybe not, but it's just beautiful. I love it. It's my favorite. Next. Okay, next up I have 2 blushes. 2 blushes because I can never decide. Like, it has happened with me so many times. I always carry multiple blushes. I don't know why. Blush is something that really excites me, so I'm just like very confused, like so in general, I have noticed, like, since the past 2-3 times whenever I'm traveling, I have kept the same 2 blushes each time, and they are both by Milani. These are their baked blushes in Luminoso and Berry Amore. Beautiful blushes, beautiful. These are my favorite blushes on the entire planet, like, at least from the ones I've tried. Beautiful, just beautiful. That's all I would like to say. So yeah, I also use them for eyeshadow when traveling, because like whatever blush you're wearing, just take it up and put it on your eye. Works like a charm. You don't need to carry your palette or your brushes. So yeah, I always keep these 2, and that's why I kept these 2 with me today. Next. Okay, so we have reached the last product. So the last product is, of course, mascara. This is my favorite mascara these days. I always keep washable mascaras. I have just one waterproof mascara only because it's my washable version aata nahi hai, which is the I'll pop a picture here. I don't remember the name. Yeah, anyway, so this is my current favorite mascara. It's Mega Length by Wet n Wild. It looks beautiful. So yeah, I would definitely keep this. It gives, like, it's not heavy, so it looks very nice and looks very natural. You can build it up for a dramatic look. So yeah, I would definitely keep this. And that is the last item I would keep. So that was my what's in my emergency travel bag video. imagined travel because we're just stuck at home during COVID. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys like my bag. I love it. It's so freaking cute. So yeah, in closing, I would say check out their website for their bags. Really cute stuff on sale right now, and you can use my promo code for a 15% off additional discount, which is YTEPSHITA15, also mentioned in the description. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I had a lot of fun first packing the bag and then showing you guys what all I packed. I would also keep sunglasses, but it's nighttime and my sunglasses are in the room where my nana is sleeping, so we skipped on that. But I would definitely keep sunglasses, most probably my Wayfair Ray-Bans. They always look good. They look good with all outfits because they're classic and I feel the shape suits my face. So yeah, that would be one item I would definitely keep, but I couldn't because that's not in my room right now. But anyway, yeah, moving on. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video if you did, and subscribe and share, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Till then, take care, wear your masks, stay safe, and yeah, okay, bye.